In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk close conversations in Intercom. By the end, you'll be able to quickly tidy up your workspace and keep your team's queue focused on what truly needs attention. First, open your Intercom inbox. This is your command center for active conversations. Make sure you're looking at the list of open conversations you actually want to manage. If you work across multiple inboxes or teams, double-check you're in the correct view so you don't accidentally affect conversations that aren't yours to handle. Now let's select the conversations you want to close. Move your cursor to the far left of any conversation in the list. As you hover, a checkbox will appear. Click that checkbox to select it. You can select as many as you need this way, and you'll typically see Intercom show a count of how many you've selected, which is a helpful cue before you take action. If you have a block of adjacent conversations, use the shift trick to save time. Click the first conversation in the range, hold shift, then click the last conversation in that range. Everything in between will be selected at once. You can also mix and match, use shift for ranges and single clicks for one-offs to fine-tune your selection. With your conversation selected, it's time to close them. Look for the Close button at the top of the list. Click it, and Intercom will close all selected open conversations in one go. If you prefer to move even faster, use the keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Y together. On Windows, press Control, Shift, and Y. Make sure the inbox view is active so the shortcut applies to your current selection. And that's it. Those conversations are now closed. They'll move out of your open queue, helping you and your teammates focus on what's still pending. Closing a conversation doesn't delete it. It simply changes its status. You can always revisit a closed conversation, and if a customer replies, it will reopen automatically or according to your workspace settings. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Take a moment to scan your selection count to ensure you're closing exactly what you intend. If something looks ongoing or unresolved, leave it open. Using the shift selection method carefully can prevent accidental overselection. Finally, consider doing this cleanup regularly. Keeping your open queue lean makes handoffs clearer, response times faster, and metrics more accurate. To recap, open your Intercom inbox, select the conversations using checkboxes or shift for ranges, click close, or use Command or Control plus Shift plus Y, and you're done. Happy housekeeping!